Since the explosion of gun crime on the streets of Sydney, we've become acutely aware about the disturbing number of illegal weapons in Australia and how it's impossible for police to keep track of them. Now, New South Wales police are pushing for their system to be uniform and national.
It's been hailed as DNA for guns. IBIS is an electronic database of bullets and cartridge cases collected from crime scenes or seized guns.
It's the same system being used by the FBI in America, and Interpol also has the IBIS system.
But other states and territories have different, incompatible databases.
If a firearm moves from one state to another, it can effectively disappear off the radar and police can't find that weapon.
Recommendations for a national database were made as far back as 1996, after the Port Arthur massacre. An Australian Crime Commission report 8 years ago agreed, yet nothing was done. While DNA and fingerprints are stored in a national registry, evidence from gun crime isn't.
If those firearms from interstate were also on a national database, it would detect more offences on the national front.
The question of who will fund a multi-million-dollar national rollout and whether states with much lower gun crime rates would actually welcome the move will be discussed next month when state police commissioners meet.
Police will be able to dedicate more of their time into dealing with the core issues to do with firearms violence rather than chasing around to find out actually, is the firearm illegal, has it just come from another state, has it been imported?
Antoinette Lattouf, 10 News.